Hi, hello. Decided to record a video for you because I think that I will need something from you. In order to do this, I need to learn. I need to teach you how to. You need to learn how to do it. So first, I want to introduce a GitHub. GitHub is a nice place when everybody work, and it's have a really nice online interface. So since it have web page interface, the only thing that I expect you to do is just to register over here. I think that if you first you will see something like this. So you just sign up, you create your username, and it's better to create not so bitchy username because it's something that everybody will see, so it's better to have it more or less indifferent. So something like fuck angels 1985, it's not really nice username for GitHub. So like in Gmail for instance, it's better to have something like uniform. Okay, after you sign up, you'll see something like this, or probably you won't see something like this, you'll see something like this, but empty. So here, everything is just my stuff that I'm working on. You'll see something similar, but not without any stuff. So, anything on GitHub is actually a repository. Repository, imagine like a folder on your computer. So in this folder you could do everything you want. So I go to my repositories and I have my course over this. This is all files that I have over there. There is some readme file that actually just stretch everything that we already sent to our participants. And here is a link to the web page that will provide us to all material. So actually I'll send to all users, all participants something like this, and they will work through this HTML file and have a look over there. So the problem is that I have a dysgraphy. So it actually means that I'm not really good in writing, and English is not my native, and I'm a Slavic, like my first language is Russian, so that means that articles definitely not my best thing. So in most cases I will use them wrong. So what I will ask you is to before the lecture and even during the lecture to look through the materials and find out some typos and something. I want you to introduce to this repository as a co-worker. So here I have settings. You don't care, but there will be collaborators. And after I confirm everything, I could search your name and add you as collaborator. That actually will mean that you could possibly change everything in this repository. And that's what I want you to do. So imagine that you see some typo on our website. So here, why data science or something like this, and you decided to change it. There is some old button edit over here that provide me, I could press edit, and it provides the file that is needed to be changed. So here, for instance, I could change it. So data sign is a new field that blah blah blah, and I want to add, I don't know, remove this for instance, or add or anything. So you could do this, and this kind of small correction it's really easy to follow. You could search through this and so on and so on. You could preview changes. Probably it will show you what changes you've done. And the final step is just committing your changes. So after you've done, you could type here corrected some typo, or even just ignore this and then commit changes. And after you've done this, I will see all changes you've done, and you'll work. Since we are working in the same repository, it will be automatically done. So I'll press cancel. I don't want to change nothing over here. But this kind of work that I want you to do before classes, and I hope that probably tomorrow or at 6th, I'll send you materials in advance for check. It won't be a lot because most of the text will be actually code, so it doesn't matter. But I would appreciate if you look through this and correct if you think something is wrong. Okay. So that's all, and actually, I think that's all. That's all I wanted you to present. If you have any questions, just write me. I think I'll try to figure out if you have any problems. So first task for you is register on GitHub and maybe try to change something. It would be nice. See you.